So UWANT recently sent me out their M700 mattress cleaner, and today we're gonna be putting this thing to the test. We're gonna be cleaning not only our bed, but also our couch here that my dogs love to play on. But this thing's gonna be way more helpful than just that. You guys could really use this for a bunch more purposes. I'm thinking like upholstery cleaning in the car. Maybe you guys have a bench near your bed or the front door. This thing could clean all of those just fine. But my favorite part about this mattress vacuum is just how many accessories it has to actually get rid of the dust mites. So not only does it have a really powerful motor, 20,000 kPa, which just so you guys know is a lot higher than most of the other ones that I've tested, but it also has a 3-stage heat design that helps eliminate all of the dust mites. On top of that, you guys could even put essential oils right in here. You just drop it into this and it turns it into mist, and those essential oils also help get rid of dust mites. But the crazy part is they designed something called a metal beater, and basically it vibrates in a way that it shakes your bed or couch, and the dust mites help get dislodged because of that, and then the suction power, it takes it over from there. So just to give you guys a quicker close look, here is the machine. This is where you're gonna put your aromatherapy, and then it'll turn it into mist for you basically. And then we also have the power button up here. So it's not plugged in at the moment, but I'll show you guys that in just a couple minutes. This is how you guys empty the dustbin. There's just a button right here. And then you guys could just press this to pull off the lid. And it does have a dual stage design. So a lot of the finer particles are gonna get separated from the bigger dust particles. They did give us some extra filters as well, which is really sweet. And honestly, for a mattress vacuum, this is plenty of storage. So down here, you could see some of the lights for the 3-stage heating design to actually kind of get rid of the dust mites and also just make your mattress nice and warm. It looks like you guys could actually remove this part right here by pressing those buttons, and then the roller should be able to come out. So just like so, you guys can replace the roller if you guys need to, but there's no bristle brushes on this, so it should last a long time. So let's go ahead and record a quick time lapse of me cleaning up our couch here, and then we'll move over to our bed and see just how well it does. And I'll try to show you guys some close-up shots of this machine in action, showing you guys the heat element down there, and then also showing you guys the screen that pops up here. So I figured since I just plugged it in, let's go ahead and look at the screen here. So you guys could see all the stats, and it'll basically just show you how dusty whatever you're cleaning actually is. So let me go ahead and give you a quick closer look at this in action, and then we'll skip to that time lapse. So you could see on the bottom, it started the infrared care, and it's also showing you how dirty it is right there in the center screen. So as you go, it's definitely cleaning up some dust there. You can see the number climbing, and then as I lift it, it's back to 0. So that's how you can tell if you need to clean that area up some more or not. Like I was saying, my dogs are always on this couch. So just doing that, you could see a little bit of pet hair in there. So I'm really curious what it's gonna look like whenever we're done doing the entire couch. Let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so we just vacuumed our entire couch, and I'm very surprised to see how much dust was actually in our couch. I didn't even get like the back cushions or the little armrest there, and we still have so much dust in here. And just keep in mind, I normally do keep blankets on the top of my couch so my dogs aren't tearing it up completely, but there's still this much dust. So let's go ahead and check it out. That is really gross. You could see some of the pet hair that was there that you really couldn't see just from here. But apparently when I used the vacuum, all of that was on my couch. So definitely really glad that I cleaned it. All right, so for our next test, we're gonna clean up our entire king size mattress with this mattress vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and record a quick time lapse of me doing so, and then I'll show you guys the results. This is what the dustbin looks like right now. The debris is only to about right here, but there's a lot of dust on the outside. So let's go ahead and see what the results are. All right, so here's the dustbin. After cleaning up our bed, this is a combination of all the dust on my couch and bed now. And we had a lot more dander that got sucked up into this machine. And I was very surprised by that because this bed normally has mattress protectors on it, sheets, everything, and our dogs aren't even allowed into here. The only difference is we clean our bed a lot less than our couch, so maybe that's why we had so much extra debris. But overall, this thing cleaned up very well. It was very simple to use. With the king size mattress, you kind of have to go side by side. So I got all of that half done, and then I moved over here and did the other half. And as a quick bonus, I went ahead and cleaned up our shoe bench right here, and this thing worked amazing for that. So overall, definitely really impressed with this product's performance. I thought that my bed was going to be a lot cleaner than it was. So when I saw that it came up with that massive clump of hair, I was kind of concerned with how I've been cleaning my bed and treating it. And the reason that I think that this is a really helpful machine is because you don't really want to take a normal vacuum that's going all around your floor and throw it on your bed. You guys want to have something that is completely separate for places that you guys are sleeping at or just places that you're sitting at. That's exactly why they made these mattress vacuums, and I think that they do a great job. They also just make your mattress smell a lot better with those essential oils. So anyways, that's it for my review of the UWANT M700 mattress vacuum.